Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best boxing gloves under $50 that are currently available on the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've ranked them based on their quality, durability, price, user reviews, and overall value for money. If you want to see updated prices or learn more about these products, make sure to check the links in the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth reviews like this one. All right, let's get started with the countdown. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the H-Lin Boxing Gloves for Kids. These gloves are specifically designed for younger fighters, making them a great choice for kids who are just starting out in boxing, kickboxing, or Muay Thai. They feature a durable performance PU leather construction that is both lightweight and easy to clean, which is perfect for parents. The gloves come with gel impact protection foam to absorb shock and keep your child's hands safe during training. The breathable mesh holes in the palm provide ventilation, preventing sweat and odor buildup, a thoughtful touch for long training sessions. The hook and loop closure is simple to use and provides solid wrist support, ensuring a snug and secure fit. While these gloves are great for beginners, their small size and limited padding mean they're best suited for light training or sparring rather than heavy bag work. At just $14.99, they're an affordable entry-level option for kids, but they may not offer the same durability as higher-end gloves. If we're looking for a starter glove for a young fighter, these are a solid pick. At number 4, we have the Valkyria Boxing Gloves for men and women. These gloves offer a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on essential features. Made from durable materials and weighing in at just 14.08 ounces, they're designed for general-purpose training, whether that's sparring, bag work, or light kickboxing. The gloves feature a simple yet ergonomic design with decent padding for shock absorption. They provide a snug fit thanks to their hook and loop closure system, which also ensures adequate wrist support. While the outer material isn't as premium as some higher-priced gloves, it's durable enough for casual or recreational use. With a price tag of $16.99, these gloves are a step up from bare-bones options. However, they lack advanced features like gel padding or ventilated palms, which may impact comfort during longer workouts. If you're looking for an affordable pair of gloves for occasional use, the Valkyria gloves are a decent choice. Coming in at number 3 is the Hunter Gel Padded Inner Gloves. At just $9.99, these gloves are the most budget-friendly option on our list, but don't let the price fool you. They pack in some great features. These inner gloves are crafted from elasticated polyester with Lycra straps, making them lightweight, breathable, and quick to put on. These are not traditional boxing gloves, but rather a hybrid between hand wraps and gel-padded gloves. They provide solid knuckle protection and 26-inch wrist wraps for added stability. The slide-on design is simple and convenient, and the thumb openings ensure a secure fit. They're perfect for use under larger boxing gloves or for light bag work and shadow boxing. While these gloves are versatile and highly affordable, they're not designed for heavy impact training. If you're looking for protective wraps that are quick to wear and easy to use, these are a fantastic choice for beginners and casual users. At number 2, we have the Sanabul Essential Gel Boxing Gloves. These gloves are a fan favorite, backed by endorsements from MMA champions like Michael Bisping and Max Holloway. Built with engineered leather, they offer excellent durability and a professional look at an affordable price point. What sets these gloves apart is their gel-infused padding, which provides exceptional shock absorption for heavy bag training or sparring. The secure hook and loop closure system ensures proper wrist alignment, while the mesh palm keeps your hands cool and dry during intense sessions. Plus, they're designed to fit perfectly right out of the box with no uncomfortable break-in period. Priced at $29.99, the Sanabul gloves are a fantastic mid-range option for beginners and intermediate fighters. While they don't have the premium materials of higher-end gloves, their combination of comfort, durability, and performance makes them a standout choice for any combat sports enthusiast. Finally, at number 1, we have the RDX Boxing Gloves, which offer the best overall performance and value under $50. Made from Maya hide leather, these gloves are incredibly durable and designed to withstand even the toughest training sessions. The Quadrodome 3 padding, which combines EVA foam and SpongeX, provides superior impact dispersion for powerful punches. The gloves feature a patent-pending Lomatech design, which aligns the fist and thumb for optimal punching posture, reducing the risk of injury. The ventilated palm and strategically placed thumb holes ensure a sweat-free experience, even during long workouts. Additionally, the full wraparound wrist strap offers excellent support and a secure fit, making these gloves ideal for sparring, bag work, and more. At $34.99, the RDX gloves are the most expensive on our list, but they deliver professional-grade features that justify the price. If you're serious about your boxing or kickboxing training and want gloves that can handle heavy use, these are the top pick for you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect pair of boxing gloves under $50. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more expert gear reviews. If you have any questions or want to share your personal experiences with these gloves, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.